Thought I'd make a quick little video this morning and look at the sky. It is black and you see the trees are blooming and stuff, and pollen is horrible right now. But yeah, we've got some storms coming today in Halifax, North Carolina. Makes everything look green when it's dark like this. But anyway, it's actually kind of pretty like that. But we need this rain to wash away this pollen. And you can see the pollen on the porch. Well, the back porch thing. We never use it. But yeah, it's going to rain. It's incredible how dark the skies look over there. But anyway, just thought I'd make a quick small little video here. And I'm just gonna sit around today and watch some movies and try to relax and not think about all this mess going on. But give your life to Jesus Christ. The time is near. I pray for everyone. And y'all have a blessed Saturday. And it's gonna rain here. But I love how everything is turning green. For long, the jasmine's gonna be blooming, and that smells so good at night. But anyway, I'm waiting for David to come back from the Dollar General. He went to get his mom and dad some stuff. His dad's gonna make some hand sanitizer, 90% alcohol and aloe vera. He knows how to make it, and his dad is tuning his piano today. So y'all stay safe and give your life to Jesus Christ, and y'all have a blessed day. Alright, bye y'all.